In the serene mountains, two unlikely friends, a lion and a tiger, lived together under the shade of a rock. Their friendship was a unique one, as they had met when they were too young to understand the difference between the two. But as they grew up, they realized that they were indeed different from one another. Nevertheless, their bond remained strong and unbreakable. One day, the friends got into a senseless argument about the time when the cold sets in. The tiger believed that it comes when the moon wanes from full to new, while the lion argued that it comes when the moon waxes from new to full. The argument escalated, and they started calling each other names. Realizing that their friendship was at risk, they decided to seek the advice of a learned forest monk who lived nearby. The lion and tiger approached the hermit and asked him the question. The wise monk pondered for a moment and replied that the cold can come in any phase of the moon from new to full and back to new again. He explained that it was the wind that brings the cold, whether from the west, north, or east. He added that in a way, both the lion and tiger were right, and neither of them was defeated by the other. He emphasized that the most important thing was to live without conflict and remain united, as unity is essential. The lion and tiger were grateful for the monk's answer, and were happy that their friendship was still intact. They realized that as they grew up, they had learned about the differences between people, such as skin color, religion, and philosophies of life. However, they knew that it was crucial to stay united with their friends, even if they were different. They promised to stay together and not let senseless arguments get in the way of their friendship. In life, we often encounter differences between ourselves and others. Still, it's important to remember that we are all unique and have our own culture and heritage. In arguments, it's crucial to remember that both parties can be right, and unity is the key to maintaining healthy relationships. The story of the lion and tiger teaches us that differences can exist, but they should never be the cause of division among friends. This is Wonderful Words of Life Motivation. Thanks for watching.